So here's how to make portrait and landscape in same document in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. First of all, you need to select the layout from the toolbar. And then from here, you will probably see this orientation option. So tap on that. And then here is two options. One is portrait and one is landscape. But the problem is if you select this landscape, all your current document will turn into landscape. But we don't want that. We want some pages to be in landscape, some pages in the portrait mode. So same document, two orientation. How you can do that is very simple, guys. If you move your cursor to the bottom of the page and then go to the page setup like this. All right. Then now if you want the other page or next page to be in portrait, then you need to select the portrait, and then from here apply to, you need to select this point forward like that and hit on OK. And now as you can see, we got the first page as a landscape, and then after that we got a portrait from now on. So that's how you can simply change it. So if you want again last page to be in landscape, you can also do that. Let me just show you real quick. So if you need to go to the page setup option again, so again you need to select the landscape and then select this point forward. So select that one and tap on OK. So now as you can see, guys, first page is in landscape, then the second one is in portrait, and the last one is again in landscape. So that's how you can simply do it. Hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like, and we'll see you next time.